Hello students. Next to applications of total internal reflection. Applications of total internal reflection. So first applications of total internal reflection is mirage. How the mirages are formed, in this class we will understand how the mirages are formed. So mirages are formed due to total internal reflection, due to cause of total internal reflection. When we say that total internal reflection is going to happening, some conditions are there for total internal reflection. What are the conditions? We are already studied in last class what are the conditions of total internal reflection. First condition is light must travel from denser medium to rarer medium. Light must be travel from denser medium to rarer medium. When light travel from denser medium to rarer medium, the light bending away from the normal, that is going to happening in this case. Second one is the angle of incidence in denser medium is greater than critical angle. Here angle of incidence in denser medium is greater than the critical angle between two medium. Between two medium. Okay, these are the two conditions. When light satisfying these two conditions during refraction, here total internal reflection is going to happening. So the light must be satisfies these two conditions, then only we can say the light going to happen total internal reflection. For example, this is the surface of the earth. Mirages are formed in summer. One person is observing a tree on the surface of the earth. This is a tree. This is a tree. One person is observing this tree. It appeared to be inverted. How this inverted image should be appeared? This is the earth surface. In summer, on the earth surface, hot. When you move above the earth surface, we will feel as cool. Near the earth surface is hot. Above the, when you move above the earth surface is cool. So here some layers are there. In case of hot air, density is low. So density is low, we called as this is a rarer medium. Here velocity is low, so here density is high, so here cool air can be taken as the denser medium. So near the surface of earth is act as a rarer medium, above the surface we called as a denser medium. When sunlight is fall on the tree, like in this direction, this is the direction of the light falling on the tree. When it going to be refraction, it reaches to layer like this. When it comes on the air layer, here we will draw the normal line. So here light travel from denser medium to rarer medium, light bend away from the normal. This is the angle of incidence I1. So this is the refracted ray. This is the direction of the refracted ray with an angle of R1. When again it touches to one of the layer of air, again here normal line. We are going to draw the normal line. Here angle of incidence is I2. Again the ray of light bend away from the normal. So here normal, again light bending away from the normal. So the ray of light is falling this direction. At this point we are drawing the one normal, because it touches to the one of the layer of air. Again we are drawing the normal line. This is incident angle I3. Here refracted ray is going to 90 degrees. So here forms the critical angle. The angle of incidence greater than the critical angle, the reflected ray is travel to same medium. This is the reflected ray. This reflected ray reaches to observer. Okay, this reflected ray reaches to observer. When we are extending backward direction, image will be appeared at this position, is inverted image. This is the inverted image. So here the angle of incidence greater than the critical angle the ray of light going to total internal reflection. That's why here image will be formed as inverted. That will be observed by the observer. See here, in summer above the earth surface is cool, having high density. Near the earth surface is hot, having low density. So near surface of the earth acts as a rarer medium, and above the earth surface act as a denser medium. We are already discussing the diagram. Above the earth surface, when you move from above the earth surface, it acts as a denser medium near the earth surface is acts as a rarer medium. When a person is observed tree on the earth surface, it should be appeared as inverted image due to total internal reflection. The main cause is due to total internal reflection. How the total internal reflection is going to happen? The light traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, light bending away from the normal line. When light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, light bending away from the normal line. At somewhere, when you move somewhere, the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle. The angle of incidence becomes greater than the critical angle. The image should be appeared as inverted image. This is the formation of mirrors. This is one of the application of total internal reflection. We will meet in next session.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.